the gas by accident and I scared that white lady. Ah, man, I really hate being short and having short arms. Freaking sucks.
Hi Kickers, I'm really tired of watching a guy got one t-shirt in different videos. Please, change the fucking t-shirt, okay?
All my followers on Keek,
Change it!
and those around the world that actually just watch the One Keek Nation, I'm going to be releasing some day-to-day basis videos. Some of them might have the same outfit because I record them the same day. Thank you. Yeet, mother!
So, apparently, if you're Somali and you understand Somali music, that makes you a fob. But Somali is your language, so in a way, shouldn't you understand it? Masa Somali wax laga faana.
Struggle, my nigga. Chino speaks from real shit. Struggle we came from, nigga. Remember?
Yo, when a nigga got you fucked up, just look at them like, and after this guy will be like, I didn't make Gary because I nigga.
wax ma ku sheegaa hooyada hal cunug dhash saaxib ha idilin saaxib wallahi hadii kale ana baawurkooda ay ka kacmeesho adana wax tartiib wad saaxib follow the law saaxib sawa wallahi idiliniyo kamerada fiiriniyo kamera wala fiir
My name on the wall. My name on the wall. My name on the wall. Oh, my name on the wall. White people, stiff white people moves. What? Oh, you're fucking heavy.
Has Somalian moves.
What's Somalian moves?
So you admit that you're Somalian then?
I'm even Somalian, so shut up, I'm Eritrean. Bang bang.
Shut up, she's Somalian. Look at her forehead. Look at how far she tried to hide it with that bush.
What trying to say about Somalian?
I'm trying to say
Someone Somalian person might see this.
I love you.
We love you, Somalians. We rep Somalia.
معسية معاني إده برحليمة معايا كالي فانديشن كي أوي أروس السعودية ها كيمبل وضي قد ما قرتي ها فانديشن قواكن عدان وين عدان ما تنقضونا ما شاء الله قبر عدان هاي مرين عدي ما شاء الله مرين عدي رسولتينا معانا إذا معسية معانا
One song.
When I got over, I will be so good. They call me freedom, just like a waving flag. Somalia! yeah.
ورا عالم بالك أنا بيت أنا ولا أنا محك أوعى هذا إيمانه. واور.
I don't know what it is, but you just my type. Everything just right. Be said, put it to the left, don't listen to the hype, though. Got a cup in your hand, baby sitting, but you ain't got no kids. We ain't leaving till it ain't no more left. Ain't seen no time on the Rolex.
So I met this new guy, girl. Always on Makaya Tarelo with Tarela, truck driver, girl, talk to him. He got money. Talk to him. Truck driver, we like.
Drastically undercutting the basis for drug trafficking and violence. Control 2012. Assessing the market to sell crops is complicated by distance and inadequate infrastructure, such as a lack of communication, technology, and poor road conditions. Rather than investing in crop eradication, the government should increase investment in infrastructure development that facilitates access to markets and healthcare, as well as increase investment in social safety nets, alternative development programs, and local agriculture and together enhance economic, environment, health, and food security.
What's up, dude?
Hello. It's me, Anonymous. So yeah, just updating you guys. So basically, she's in a warehouse right now. She's tied up somewhere, and yeah, she's begging for help. Really, she deserves it, to be honest. Oh yeah, she just wanted me to tell you guys that she loves you all. So yeah, bye. Hi guys, it's Anonymous. So basically I've kidnapped Nazra, and because she's been naughty. She's been very, very naughty.
I'm not back, but I am a bit back, because I'm back a bit, but I'm probably not going to make videos on here, so you know, I make videos on Instagram, so hit me up, Ikram the Poet. Yeah. The keeks that I've made, when I look back I'm just like, what the fuck was you doing, girl? So yeah, alright, peace, because I'm just embarrassed, you know. See you later.
Hey guys. Hey brothers and sisters.
Today we are learning you guys how
the
to
new
do
Somali
the
hand trick made by Samira and Ikram. You know, don't steal it from us because we made it. Okay. First, you're gonna you see your friend. You know, you say "Assalamu alaikum, bro" or sister. You know, and then you hold it and say "Kurdu fakabah." You know, and you do real fast. You know, "Kurdu fakabah." No, not like this, but this. Da. You straight? Cool. Ciao. Bye.
هذه سؤال أبتو حبك ما قلنا نروح على صوت. Your best friends, aka your motherfucking worst enemies. They're the right someone that you're trying to impress. ماشي اسكتك نادو. وريح العالم ما عبت وريح. Oh my. أخوي ذي والله صنو. أخوي بعد. ما بعيني اسكتيو اسكامينا عمان عند عشقو اسكويو اسير شلا عمان غني احتقتين وكسريو
I seriously don't think there's anything cuter than interracial marriages. They're just so beautiful. It's like these two different people from different backgrounds, cultures, and they're brought together by Islam. It's cute. I think it's so beautiful.